Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel and today is part 2. I purchased some luxury products from Nykaa Luxe on this Pink Friday sale. So let's unbox this. First product is MAC Studio Fix Fluid. My shade is 43.5. This color is warm with golden undertone. This foundation not only provides flawless matte finish but also offers sun protection SPF 15 in it. And this is perfect for achieving natural look with seamless finish. This comes in a glass bottle and texture is very liquidy, so that's why I bought another thing that I'll show you first, then only I'll swatch this one. I got this pump in this sale itself. It was around 800 rupees and this is for this foundation. I had to buy this because last time I wasted too much of product without this pump, but this time I did not want to do that. It is designed to fit onto the opening of MAC foundation, particularly the ones that have a screw cap. It makes dispensing the foundation easier and more controlled and helping you to avoid spillage and wastage. This pump allows you to dispense just right amount of foundation. You simply replace the MAC foundation cap with this pump. This pump helps to dispense the foundation on back of your hand or on palette before using it on face. This is particularly used for liquid foundations. This is more hygienic and mess-free application. See this consistency, it is full coverage foundation. It is liquid yet creamy texture and it glides very smoothly on face. And I really love this foundation, and this is my best foundation on my makeup kit. So if you want, I can give a big review on this. I don't need the cap because I locked it. It is easy to lock and you can carry anywhere. Next I got this MAC Studio Fix Powder Plus Foundation and my color is NC43. You can use it with the makeup brush and sponge. This also have warm undertone and it is very convenient for those who doesn't want to use any foundation. It is matte finish and gives little coverage, and in this you'll get one sponge. You can use this sponge or you can use it with a makeup brush. It gives medium coverage. Whenever you are in a hurry and don't want to put any foundation, you can just use this powder on your face and that's it. Next I got this 2 Bobbi Brown crushed lip color and this was also in a very good offer. I got it in 50% discount, buy one get one free. So I got this 2 color, one is cranberry and one is blue raspberry. These lipsticks are known for its luxury texture and it's very comfortable to wear. I'll just show you both the colors. This one is cranberry. It's a little red type of color, little deep color. This color looks like reddish berry shade. I'll just swatch it little on my hand. See this color, it's awesome. It's highly pigmented and makes your lips very soft and smooth because it's not matte finish. I think this color will go with for formal and casual wear. Next is this one. This is blue raspberry. So I'll just swatch this side. This is little cool toned pinkish color. I think this will be great for nude makeup looks. And there is no fragrance at all, thank God, because I don't like fragrance lip products. Next I got this MAC Studio Fix Concealer and it has SPF 35. Isn't it great? This one I already used. This is high coverage concealer. Conceals many skin issues like pimple marks, pigmentation, whatever it is. It really conceals that. This is creamy texture and super blendable. It gives very smooth finish and looks very natural. So I can just show you here. You just see. This has very thick consistency. It has SPF 35, so it will protect our eyes from harmful sun rays. This concealer I use it on my under eyes, nose bridge or some pigmentation here and there. I just apply all over and it's great for eyeshadow base and my color is NC42. Next I purchased this lipstick. This is from MAC Valentine collection. MAC often releases limited collections for some holidays including Valentine's Day. This is very popular shade. It's Lady Danger that I already have in my makeup kit, but that was about to finish, so I thought why not to try from this Valentine's collection. This is vibrant bold red lipstick from MAC's permanent collection. Let's watch it. See the color. It's orangish red and I really love this color, so I bought another one and I got more 2 lipsticks from MAC. This one is also in buy one get one, so this much big offer I think in MAC I will never get. So I got this 2 color, one is Sea Sheer, one is Beam There Done That. So these 2 is like a nude lipsticks and I love nude lipsticks too much and I was getting buy one get one, so why not to try these. See, this bullet lipsticks looks very cool, so I'll just see one by one. This color is Beam There Done That, so I'll just swatch it on my hand to see the color. This is little pinkish color, looks like berry pink, and for daily wear this color is like awesome. And this another one is sea share, color number is 520. So let's swatch on my hand. This is also pinkish, but it's little bright. These lipsticks are very comfortable to wear. It doesn't dry your lips, so I think it's a great choice. In Pink Friday sale, there is buy one get one offer, so go grab it. So these are the things what I purchased from Nykaa Hot Pink sale. Let me know which product review you want first.